In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PayPal payment link in an easy and straightforward way. This process is perfect for those quick transactions when you need to send or request money without any fuss. In this brief tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get it done efficiently. First things first, let's kick off by heading over to the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the PayPal URL, or simply search for PayPal in your search engine. Once there, you'll be greeted by PayPal's homepage. Here, you'll want to click on the prominent login button, which usually sits in the top right corner. This will direct you to the login page. Now, on the login page, you need to enter your personal email address and password. Make sure your login credentials are correct to avoid any delays. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. PayPal provides an option to reset it and regain access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at your PayPal dashboard. This area is your gateway to all PayPal's features. Now direct your attention to the Pay and Get Paid option. You'll find it conveniently located in the dashboard's menu. Click it and it will expand to show more options. Under the section labelled Accept Payments, locate and click on Request Money. This feature is key for generating a PayPal payment link that you can share with others. Once selected, you'll be guided to a new view. Here, look for the option that says More Ways to Request. Clicking this will provide additional methods to request payments. Among these is the Share Your Personal Profile option. Selecting this is crucial for generating the link you need. Next, you'll see a share icon next to your profile. Click this to proceed. By doing so, you're given the opportunity to see a link that connects directly to your PayPal.me page. Click on Copy Link, which adds it to your clipboard, ready to be shared. With your custom link copied, the last step is sharing it with your intended recipients. You can do this through various mediums, whether via email, a text message, chat app, or even posting on social media. The choice is yours based on your communication preference or your payee's needs. And that's it. You've successfully generated and shared your PayPal payment link, ready for transactions. This method is not only swift but also secure, ensuring that you can easily request payments or send them to anyone who needs to pay you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your financial transactions a little smoother. Stay tuned for more straightforward tutorials.